Oodles. $3 cheaper than Michael's Vinyl Toys, and somewhat larger actually. A rabbit, a little dog guy, and I guess that's a devil. This one comes with a figure, link bracelets, heart-shaped faceted beads, 3D holographic stickers, metal rings, wiggly eyes, waterproof marker. This one comes pink feather ribbon, diamonds, why can't I get words right? Double-sided tape, rhinestones, elastic cord, wiggly eyes, waterproof marker, and assorted beads. They certainly come with a lot more than the ones from Michael's. Rub-on stickers, popsicle stick, temporary tattoo, wiggly eyes, waterproof marker. Jeez. Oodles of fun. This is the inside of the paper, which is going to go into the recycling very shortly. I can't do that with the Michael's Vinyl Toys. I don't know if I like how soft it is or I don't. Well, there's definitely a size difference. These are about almost the same size as the Rose Art Vinyl ones. Feather and the googly eyes and the little rhinestones. Look, the beads are dice. I'm a little at a loss as to why they would put a popsicle stick in with this character here. Okay, so I'm guessing that's the back end. And this is the last one. That's different. The other ones didn't have any designs on the inside of the paper. Can't help but wonder what I could make with all these little doodads. I'll just keep one of the containers for now until I find a spot for everything. Oh, no. They don't like to stand up.